Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger app. First, open your Messenger app. Once you open, you can see left side top corner. There's a three bars. Tap that and tap the setting icon. And from this screen, tap on the privacy and safety. And privacy and safety, you can see under security section, there's a end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on and go inside, and here tap on the security alerts. In security alert screen, you can see option called view logins, and tap that one. And login screen, you can see the device is encrypted from Messenger app, and you can delete the device you prefer. In my case, I'm deleting the Facebook Chrome, and I'm logging out from that. And there's a confirmation. If you're happy to go, and click the remove option. And that's our end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe for my channel.